That's awesome. Computer science is a very interesting and useful field. What do you want to do after you graduate?
Well, my dream is to work for Microsoft as a software engineer. I admire their products and their vision of empowering every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more.
Wow, that's a great ambition. Microsoft is one of the leading companies in the world. How do you plan to achieve your dream?
I'm trying to learn as much as I can from my courses and projects. I also participate in online competition and hackathons to improve my skills and showcase my work. I also follow Microsoft's blogs and podcasts to keep up with their latest news in innovation.
That sounds like a lot of hard work and dedication. I'm sure you have what it takes to succeed.
Thank you, Bila. You're very kind and supportive. What about you? What are you studying and what are your dreams?
I'm majoring in psychology. I've always been curious about human behavior and emotions.
That's cool. Psychology is a very fascinating and important field. What do you want to do after you graduate?
Well, my dream is to become a clinical psychologist and help people who are struggling with mental health issues. I want to make a positive difference in their life and help them overcome their challenges.
That's a noble ambition. Mental health is a very serious and prevalent issue in our society. How do you plan to achieve your dream?
I'm trying to gain as much knowledge and experience as I can from my courses and internships. I also volunteer at a local mental health center and provide emotional support to clients. I also read books and articles by famous psychologists and researchers to learn from their insight and methods.
That sounds like a lot of passion and compassion. I'm sure you have what it takes to succeed.
Thank you, Putri. You're very sweet and encouraging.
You're welcome, Bila. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you. Maybe we can chat again sometime.
Sure, that would be nice. Have a good day, Bila.
You too, Putri.